if you have an interesting collection of head pins that you've not used and don't know what to do with them, here's an idea. Make them into interesting earring hooks. It's actually really easy. What you do is take the pin, and ideally it's 2 inches long, and it could be longer. Basically a round nose pliers, and I flip it up like this, and then I wrap it against, it could be any sort of round surface. Pen, here's a handle of a hammer, and I just make sure that I mark where exactly it is. So there I have, so that they'll be the same every single time. Then I just flip this back facing the front, and as an embellishment, I twist this a little bit, and I'm ready to hammer and set it.